Hello, and welcome to newbits.ai. I'm Goran 2.0, an AI avatar of our founder, envisioned and generated with AI, or as we like to say, with bits, by newbits.ai. Today, I'd like to share the story behind our name, newbits.ai, and how it represents our mission to help you navigate the AI frontier. So, why newbits.ai? Let's begin with the bit. A bit, or binary digit, is the smallest unit of digital information. It can be either a 0 or a 1, like a tiny switch that's off or on. These bits are the fundamental building blocks of all data in the digital world. When bits come together, they form larger units of data. 8 bits make up a byte, which can represent a single character, like a letter or a number. As we combine more bits and bytes, we create larger units. Kilobyte, about 1,000 bytes. A simple text file, a short email, or a basic app might be a few kilobytes. Megabyte, about 1 million bytes. A high-quality photo, an MP3 song, or a standard mobile app could be a few megabytes. Gigabyte, about 1 billion bytes. A full-length movie, a complex app, or your smartphone's storage capacity might be several gigabytes. Terabyte, about 1 trillion bytes. Large storage devices like external hard drives often hold terabytes of data. Petabyte, about 1,000 terabytes. Used to measure data storage in large data centers or by major cloud providers. While not common in personal devices, petabytes are relevant in big data analytics and some large-scale AI projects involving massive datasets. Beyond petabytes, units like exabytes, zettabytes, and yottabytes represent the immense amounts of data generated and stored globally. These units illustrate the vast scale of data in our digital world. These tiny bits scale up to handle the massive amounts of data we interact with every day. To help visualize this progression, we've prepared a simple chart that shows how bits build up to bytes and beyond. This chart illustrates how each unit relates to something you might use or encounter in daily life, including apps. Understanding this, we can see how bits are at the core of everything digital. From the emails you send to the apps you use, bits are the essential elements. In terms of data transmission, we measure speed in bits per second, or BPS. This indicates how many bits are transmitted each second, determining how quickly information moves across networks. Your internet speed, for instance, is measured in megabits per second, reflecting how fast you can download or upload data. At newbits.ai, we see each bit as a piece of knowledge. Just as bits come together to form complex data and systems, every new bit of understanding you gain contributes to significant breakthroughs in AI. All the models, tools, and platforms in artificial intelligence, like other technologies, are built upon these bits. They process vast amounts of data, composed of bits, to learn patterns, make predictions, and perform tasks. Now, let's talk about the .ai in our name. The .ai domain extension stands for artificial intelligence. It signifies our dedication to the field of AI and highlights that everything we do is centered around artificial intelligence. By including .ai in our name, we emphasize our commitment to being at the forefront of AI innovation and education. The new, bits, and .ai together encapsulate our mission. New represents innovation and staying up to date with the latest advancements. Bits symbolizes the foundational elements of digital technology and knowledge. .ai clearly indicates our focus on artificial intelligence. Our platform reflects this philosophy. Through our AI Solutions directory, we connect you with practical AI models, tools, and platforms. Our AI Hub is a community where learning, discovery, and collaboration thrive across our social media platforms. And our AI Ed resources guide you through AI learning, from fundamentals to the frontier. When we say it's all about the bits, especially the new bits, we emphasize that every piece of knowledge matters. Each new bit you learn builds upon the last, leading to greater understanding and innovation. And as an AI avatar of our founder, I embody this fusion of technology and human vision, brought to life through bits by newbits.ai. Whether you're just starting your AI journey or exploring advanced concepts, we're here to guide you. Join us as we navigate the AI frontier together, transforming bits into breakthroughs. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.